Hi, this is Brent DeMartini here at DeMartini RV, and today we've got the new 2024 DX3 32KD. This coach just came in. It's brought over from the Europa line, a new floor plan for the DX3, and there's a couple things that are different, so we're going to show you the added features, and why don't you follow along and check it out. Okay, so first off, the biggest difference between the DX3 and the Europa is this one has a different engine. This is going to be a bigger engine, so we'll just show you what we've got here. This is the Detroit DD8. It's a 7.7 liter that they rate at 375 horse with 1,050 foot-pounds, and it's just a phenomenal engine, great gas mileage. It has 40,000 mile service intervals and is very dependable. With the bigger engine comes added towing capability. So this one can tow 20,000 pounds, and they've also got a differential locker at the rear, so you can turn that on or off and it'll help you get through some slippery conditions. With this one, we've got the chrome package, and that comes with power locks on the baggage doors. So you can press one button and lock all of the baggage doors all at once, and it also gives a great look. This one has the Magnum 3000 watt inverter in here. We've got the surge guard transfer switch, so that's a surge protecting transfer switch that will protect you in the event of a surge. And we've also got the Victron MPPT solar controllers in here. So we've got two of them, 30 amps each, and those are wired to the Xplorer package. This one we've ordered with the Xplorer package, which means you get 1,000 watts of solar. That's 5 200 watt panels on the roof, and you're going to have the lithium batteries as well. So we've got the lithium batteries right here. They've got the Relion 300, the RB 300 LTs. Those are the low temperature ones, so they can still be charged at low temperatures. They've got internal heaters that allow them to do that, and they're a great battery. So it's just an awesome package that Dynamax provides for this for full dry camping capabilities. And also we've got the Cummins Onan 8,000 watt generator. Very fuel efficient and will run your 2 roof airs on this coach no problem and still charge the batteries. And here's the wet bay. It's got your Thetford macerator and a water filter. Dynamax has this unit all winterized for us. And that bay is also lined with some insulation as part of the Explorer package. So for cold weather camping, you don't have to worry about your tanks in here and all of your drainage on your plumbing from getting too cold. This coach comes with the power cord reel. Got your LED reverse lights, 2 backup cameras, 20,000 pound hitch. That's a 3-inch receiver. Chrome mud flap. There's the exhaust for the Aqua. This storage bay is a pass-through all the way. And here's the Aqua. They use the Aqua 400D, which for a 32-foot rig, this is going to be really overkill, so you'll have no problem cold weather camping with this motorhome. It's going to stay nice and warm and be very efficient. Again, we got the rear diff locker on this rear axle, the Michelin tires, and there's a nice bit of storage on this one. This compartment behind the door, they put some a power outlet there. And it has upper storage as well that you could put tables, chairs, things like that. They've got the outside entertainment center with sound bar and a smart TV. And this comes out, articulates. It's got a magnet mount behind it. With the DX3, you've got the Girard awnings. So you have one big awning roof mounted right there. So the Europa is not going to have the roof mounted awning or the rails. And it also has Girard slide topper awnings. And we got another 2 storage compartments here with this one door. Got some upper storage in that one, and then we've got a full pass-through at the top of that with the inverter on the other side. Dynamax supplies you with an air hose. When you have your engine running on this coach, you do have supplied air power over by the batteries, so you can fill up your tires from that. This has the keyless entry. Nice heavy-duty entry door. Okay, here we are on the inside of the DX3 32KD. So you're going to be looking at a lot of the same stuff in here as the Europa. Same cabinets, same leathers, same countertops. The floors are different, but most of the changes that are added features that you're going to see on the DX3 are on the exterior. So you're looking at fancier paint jobs, extra towing capacity, the bigger engine with more torque, and the rear differential lock, and the Aqua hot, and the roof mounted awning. So those are going to be most of the differences between the Europa and the DX3. But as we're looking in here, this is the 32KD floor plan. So it comes with either a couch or theater seats. We've optioned in the theater seats, and that sits across from the booth dinette. So we've got opposing seating, a nice conversation area here. The booth dinette is on the patio side, so when you're eating, you're going to have a great view out there. That's a really big window. And you've got your TV right here over by the entry door, so you're kind of sitting across from it when you're in the theater seats. And you can see that from the overhead bunk really good too. So if you've got anyone laying up there, they could watch TV as well. And we ordered this one with the overhead bunk. There is an option where you can get it without that, so it's a little more aerodynamic, but we like the overhead bunk because it has the opposing windows, and it offers you an extra sleeping space at no charge. So this is the kitchen in the 32KD. It's actually a pretty nice sized kitchen. There's a decent counter space right here that's easy to use. And there's also some deep counter space with an outlet right here, so you can put a coffee maker right there or something else. And you've got the induction countertop because the DX3 has Aqua hot. This is an all electric coach, no propane on board. And we've got a really big spot for trash cans right there, pots and pans. And we've got 3 good sized drawers and one big one at the bottom for pots and pans. We've optioned this one in with the 15 cubic foot Norcold 12 volt refrigerator. So this is a purely compressor driven refrigerator that operates directly off of the batteries. So it's going to be the most efficient type of compressor driven refrigerator because you don't have to convert the electricity to 110 volt to power like a residential fridge does. This one's just going to be direct, and that's also going to be nice because it won't be a load on your battery. All right, so one nice thing about this floor plan everyone likes is the bathroom. There's a huge bathroom in here. So it's got this sliding door, like a barn style door, which makes it nice when you're going down the road because when the slide's in, it's very easy to get in here. It's got a lot of good egress to get into this bathroom and out. And there's a ton of counter space here. And like a triple cabinet with mirrors. So there's a lot of storage and a lot of counter space in this bathroom. And a lot of floor space to move around. And a good sized rectangular shower. So you got the adjustable oxygenic shower head and an actual glass door, which is really nice, and a lot of headroom up here as well. And you've got this really big drawer down here. Okay, here's the bedroom with a king bed on a slide out with windows on both sides, a really large rear window, and this bed does not have to fold to bring the slide in. So you've got a closet here and a closet here. This one can be converted into a washer dryer space. It's got the pre-plumbed and wired for that. It would be a combo unit. But these are also really tall, so even if you have shirts and stuff hanging up there, you can still put shoes or whatever else on the bottom. And in the middle, you've got your TV. You've got a good counter space here with a nice size window and a ton of drawers. There's outlets on either side of the bed, and there's also bedside tables with charging ports. One great thing about this floor plan is with the slides in, it's very usable. So you have a lot of space here. Dynamax chose to make the slide on this side not very deep, so when it's in, it's still very usable. So you can get past the dinette and the seating here. You can get into the kitchen. You can use the kitchen, get into the refrigerator, no problem. And you can also get right into the bathroom, and you could even lay on this bed if you had to with the slides in, and you can sleep in there without having to put the slides out. Okay, so here's the cockpit. We've got our Mobileye right here, so you can see what speed limits are, and it will tell you alert you if you're drifting out of the lane, or if you're going too fast, or if you're about to run into someone from behind them, if you don't have a good enough distance between the car in front of you, and you can set those parameters. We've got a air horn up here, regular horn down here, and we've got your suspension for your rear air ride. You can dump your bags there before you level. This is the new screens that they've got from Dynamax that they've put on here. So they got a new, nicer camera screen this year, and they also have this really nice Garmin navigation screen. Also comes with the TST tire pressure monitoring system, and here's your switch for your differential lock. Oh, here's one other upgrade to the DX3 I forgot to mention that the Europa doesn't have. This is a 2-stage Jake brake, so that's a true engine brake that you're going to get in here, and it's will really stop this thing in a hurry. Okay guys, that's it for the DX3 32KD. This coach is only 33.5 feet and it can tow 20,000 pounds. There are not many coaches in the market that can compete with that. So if you want the best price, give me an email at brent@demartini.com or call me at 530-615-2544. Thanks for watching.